this is Helga Tateson of Helga's Homes. It's a beautiful sunny day in Toronto. The Trev statistics are in, and I just wanted to give you a quick update on what's happening in the Toronto real estate market. The headline this month was more choice for home buyers in April, and that's because listings are up significantly. Year over year, residential transactions down about 5%. Year over year, price is still holding, so really no change. But what I'd like to point out is that these are GTA statistics. But if we look at the Toronto market, just to give you some insight into the average price, according to 2024 March statistics, the average price in Toronto for a detached home was in around 1.7, semi-detached around 1.3, and condominiums are hovering around 729,000. Let's look at a quick little snapshot here. Sales down 5%, new listings up significantly 47%, active listings just over 74%, and again, average price, not a lot of change. So what I like to look at is the sales to new listing ratio. Last April, it was at 65%, and anything over 60% indicates seller's market. Right now, we're at 42%, and anything below 40% indicates a buyer's market. So this is an important statistic to look at. At the end of the day, it's about supply and demand, and right now we have a lot more supply and less demand because we continue to see the higher interest rates and no changes from the bank. Note though, luxury real estate in the $3 to $5 million range and above has remained active actually because that price range, they're unaffected by interest rate fluctuations in buyer decisions. So recently there was an article by the CBC and it reported we are getting closer to cutting interest rates. The Bank of Canada governor tells the members of parliament. So Tim Macklem, who is the governor of the Bank of Canada, says he knows people want answers about when the rates in Canada might change. He says that key indicators are moving in the right direction, but added that the central bank will still be closely watching the evolution of core inflation in the months ahead. He said that the bank's current policy rate of 5% has been restraining demand for homes. Yes, it has. It has definitely affected the market overall. But the Bank of Canada is now projecting a strong pickup in housing over the course of this year, with some increase in house prices. So what I want to tell you is that Toronto market is very diverse from one neighborhood to another. Every day I see multiple offers. I see 9, 10, 20 offers on a particular property and homes selling significantly over. Now, yes, sometimes that is because they are really underpriced, but you know, even the homes that are priced fairly are still driving lots of interest and selling over list price in many instances, but it's not across the board. The acknowledging that the higher interest rates have been hard on Canadians and some sectors of the economy, the governor said the bank doesn't want to keep monetary policies this restrictive for longer than we have to. So we are hoping to see some rate relief this year. The next rate announcement will be in June. For most of those people that analyze these type of things, most aren't expecting a change in June. More people consider that the rates will start to change in the fall, and when they do change, they will come down softly. So again, that article went on to say, don't expect the rates when we were, at 2% or lower to come anytime soon. And if they do start to reduce them, it will be done slowly. So interest rates are still a very big factor in the Toronto real estate market. The condo market has a lot more pressure on it. There is a lot more supply and less demand. So if you're a buyer in the condo market, there could be some opportunities for you. And as a seller in Toronto, it really depends on what market you're in, and as a buyer in Toronto, there could be deals out there, but also be aware that there is demand and buyers are starting to get off the sidelines and come back into the market. So if you have any questions, you're wondering what it's doing in your particular neighborhood, or how the market conditions may affect your decision to either buy or sell a home in Toronto this year, please reach out. It's Helga Tateson. I'm with Helga's Homes, and I'd love to speak with you. Enjoy your day.